Good morning, student. How are you? Now, today we will revise chapter number 1 in your social science, that is Earth's reference points. Okay, now 1.1 map is here. The image show the map of city. It is divided into rows and column. Rows and column. The columns are labeled from A to E, A to E. Okay. The rows from 1 to 4, 1 to 4. Cell A1 show Anu's house. Cell A1. It means this is cell number 1. It show Anu's house. So, what we do in the activity? Question is, what do you see in each of these cells? What do you see in each of these cells? Clear? Okay. Now, first, B2. B2, where is B2? B is this and 2 is this. It is B2. It means shopping mall. Shopping mall. Because B is here, 2 is this. So, shopping mall. Clear? In B2, shopping mall. Then D1. D D1. It means this is. So in D1, cinema hall. Cinema hall. Clear? Okay. After that, C4. C4. C is this and 4 is this. So C4. What is here? Hospital. Hospital. Okay. Now then, D3. D3. What is this? Post office. Post office. Okay. Now then, B3. 3 and B. B3. It means tennis court. Tennis court. B3. Tennis court. Then E4. E4. 4 is this. E is here. What is here? Police station. Now E4, police station. Clear to all? Very good. Now revise. B2, shopping mall. D1, cinema hall. C4, hospital. D3, post office. B3, tennis court. And E4, police station. Clear? Okay, now move on. Page number 4. Okay, now activity is here on page number 4. Fill in the blank. First, the dash divide earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. Student, first of all, hemisphere. Hemisphere means half circle. So, what is the question here? The dash divide earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. अर्थ को 2 हेमिस्फीयर में कौन डिवाइड करता है? तो इक्वेटर डिवाइड करता है अर्थ को नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. हाउ? लुक एट, दिस इज द globe and this equator. Equator divide our earth into 2 equal parts. Okay, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So what is this? This is equator. Equator. Okay, now second question. What is the second question here? The dash divide earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. Okay, now question is, revise the question. The dash divide earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. वेस्टर्न ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में कौन डिवाइड करता है? वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर, ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. सो दिस लाइन प्राइम मेरिडियन, प्राइम मेरिडियन, PM, PRIME, प्राइम MERIDIAN, prime meridian. Okay student, clear this? Okay, now to fill in the blanks is here. First is the equator divide into earth into the northern and southern hemisphere, it is equator. Now second is the dash divide earth into the eastern and western hemisphere, this is prime meridian. Got it? Okay, now then move on page number 5. Now question here is, observe the map given in figure 2. Name the city that lies at 24 degree north and 91 degree east respectively. ऑब्जर्व करना है मैप को, हमें ध्यान से देखना है. फिगर 2, नेम द सिटी, और उस शहर का नाम बताना है दैट लाइज जो 24 डिग्री नॉर्थ में है और 91 डिग्री ईस्ट में है. ऐसे शहर का हमें नेम बताना है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इसके लिए हम सबसे पहले 90 डिग्री को हम टिक करेंगे. उसके बाद में हम 24 नॉर्थ. ओके, देन कवर करेंगे हम इसे लाइन से. दिस इज, सो इट इज अगरतला, इट इज अगरतला. क्लियर? मैप ऑब्जर्व किया, सिटी का नाम बताना है. ये 24 डिग्री नॉर्थ में है और 91 डिग्री ईस्ट में है. तो हमने 24 नॉर्थ ले लिया और हम नॉर्थ लेंगे तो नॉर्थ बोथ साइड है स्टूडेंट्स. जहाँ आपको इजी लगे, यहाँ से भी इजी रहेगा हमारा. नॉर्थ में जाना है हमें, या हम यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं. बोथ साइड से हम नॉर्थ को टिक कर सकते हैं. यहाँ से इजी है, आप यहाँ से भी 24 ले सकते हैं. ओके, सो 24 नॉर्थ है एंड 91 ईस्ट है. तो 92 के पास में आप आगे थोड़ा सा 91 डिग्री ईस्ट पर टिक करेंगे. इसके बाद में आप लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो इजीली आप अगरतला सिटी को फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ आफ्टर दैट मूव ऑन पेज नंबर 6। Page number 6 is this. Okay. Now label the image in figure 3 using the words given. Label the image in figure 3 using the words given in the help box. Help box में कुछ words हैं, इनको हमें इस figure में write करना है. So student, we will start now. This is North Pole. North Pole. Okay. Then 0 degree, this is prime meridian. Then this line, Arctic Circle. Now our Tropic of Cancer. Equator. In between, equator. Then Tropic of Capricorn. Antarctic Circle. South Pole. Right, students? But you all write the complete spelling here. We are on page number 6. 1.4 activity is this. Label the image in figure 3 using the words given in the help box. This is the help box. Okay. Now first, North Pole, prime meridian, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle and South Pole. Clear, student? Okay, student. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.